I'm Nat.
And I'm Brandon.
We live and work in the Caribbean and we're busy restoring our 33-foot hurricane damaged boat that we bought for $1.
Called Piece of Ship.
We are in Home Depot shopping for tools so we can start the project on our beautiful little boat.
Tool shopping!
Brandon's happy place. We need some sunnies.
Spending money.
I am spending money. What you got there?
A tool.
How many tools? Wait.
Enough. What is winning? Everything.
There we go.
Now
We
we're
bought-
officially sponsored by Ryobi.
I wish. Got a generator, dual fuel, all our lovely tools. Busy unpacking. So yeah. Batteries.
Look at that! She very pretty.
The mast. And as the stands are built, just lay the mast on. But you'll just take over. Here's our ride.
Oh, really?
Yep.
No, you're joking.
So we borrowed a dinghy from friends.
And it's a little bit flooded. It's okay. What else can go wrong?
Nice little freshwater rinse. And lovely Francisco here is doing a lovely job at being our bilge pump. So yeah, great success. Yeah.
Getting there, getting there. We're going faster.
So as you guys can see, got a bunch of stuff here. All of this is my stuff that I got with the boat, well, our stuff now. And I've stored it on one of my friends in the BVI on his boat for quite a while. He's been really nice about that, helping me out a bit with that. But yeah, we got a storage unit now, so just moving everything in this easy accessible.
Let's do it. Have I mentioned that I am severely afraid of heights?
You're not even giving me a moment to breathe. No!
Here we go. Incoming. You got it?
Okay.
Okay, one more cushion. Big one. It's a very big cushion, this one. So I reckon we got enough stuff in there. That's all the cushions we have for the boat.
Live on the boat now.
Got the mainsails, Genoa. Got a little wakeboard, little cushions. Yeah, strong woman, strong independent woman. See, I just want to close up his hatches.
Okay.
Just for when we come back, just in case it rains.
Good man, good man.
You know what? You don't
Woo!
them to do on the video.
Imagine that. Imagine I just fell off the dinghy. Okay.
Okay.
Tarzan. Hey, 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 hey.
Got it?
See, I made you a little spot there so you could take us to the storage unit.
I think we got enough stuff.
I think so. Wait till you see my full Amazon cart.
It's not. I know it's not the colors that we want to make the boat on the inside. So you got a lot of dyeing to do.
Mm-hmm.
A woman's favorite thing to do: dye everything she doesn't like.
I see browns. I like brown.
It's maroon.
Oh, I thought this side was the color.
Jake, the other side is the
You
color.
know, I was like, hell no. Hell no. We ain't about to look like that sun reef.
Oh, Manny Key. Taller.
What did you just say?
I said that's how I find things. Work smart, not hard.
How do you find things?
It floats in the ocean.
Oh my
I'm a
God.
pirate. What do you
So
expect?
basically we're gonna have a yard sale with everything Brandon finds in the ocean.
No, man.
And we're gonna sell it on our
We can-
website. Brandon's treasures.
Brandon's treasures. Yeah, we can. It's a good business model.
No. Oh my gosh. What?
Nee, je hebt niet gevliegd. Ik heb iets gezet.
You look so dark. I'm like, look like a pale rat.
It's because you're in the sun. I'm not.
Okay, we made it to our boat.
Yeah.
Let the fun begin.
Whoop whoop.
I have to change out my sunnies.
Yeah. Enjoy your sanding. There's such a new.
I haven't even started sanding and my sunnies are already full of
Yeah, Letitia bought the
sauce.
first orbital sander.
I did. I bought the orbital sander, which is going to be my best friend.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll see you when I'm clean. Okay, it's day one. We just got to the boat and we are gonna jump straight in and start sanding.
Day one complete. It's your day one.
It is my day one. It's your day 3.
Not really.
Well,
Day 6.
whatever. It's my day 1. My day 1 and I have to sand. And sand and sand.
And
And guess what?
taking out wood.
Sand.
Loading in the car.
That's our toilet. It's
Yeah.
a toilet.
We still have one in the boat. That's just a bigger one.
Well, with your fat ass.
No. The bigger one for him because he didn't fit.
We're gonna bleep that name out.
Put a seagull over here. Slide it down over here because I'm going to install that bar today. Hopefully.
Is it even filming? First injury. I don't know why people always. Okay, let me clean my toe. Okay.
There she is. Look at her.
Sandler.
Look at her.
I don't want my shoes here.
Oh my word.
Where's
Totola PPE.
when you're